We just entered in Serbia. Here we are in Austria, in Vienna. I just slept at my cousin's home. I plan to go to the car to take it and to start the travel to Serbia, the final travel. Let's go.
Kleine Scheiße, Schweine, Schweine große, große Liebe, große kleine, Schweine, Schweine. Österreich, Österreich. Alle nach Hause schicken, nach Hause schicken, schicken. Nee, 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 nee. Hey, you fucking bitches! We are in Vienna, bre. West Coast.
Go to Serbia. Look, I haven't seen a so huge amount of wind, renewable energy. We're entering in Hungary with a Coca-Cola roof restaurant. Welcome to Hungary, Paprika! We just entered in Hungary. The Hungary seems a really great place. We really enjoyed the traveling, but we start to be a little bit hungry. Hungry. So funny. Let's continue traveling. Here we just arrived at the passport control of the borderline. We'll pass this control and we will be in Serbia. Finally. So we just entered in Serbia. We are here. Look, and you can recognize Serbia with this road, the problem on the road. I don't know if you can hear, the car is bumping because of the problems on the road. So we're so hungry that we decided to take a small break in the first city to nearest to the Hungary, the city of Subotica. We saw an ad on the road about a barbecue, najbolja brza hrana u gradu, the best fast food in the city, and we're going to try the cevapi. We go to pick up the car and to continue to the center of Serbia. We have 400 more kilometers to do before arriving. That will be like 4 hours traveling. Let's go. Now we have full stomachs. We can drive properly. I just arrived at home in Serbia. We are here in the middle of nowhere. You can hear insects, birds, and nothing else. No boring things. I just want to say you, if you like this trip and the video, you can like the 2 videos. You can share with your friends. And finally, you can subscribe to the channel. Go subscribe. Serbian Wolf.